Ezidi, Ezidi. Listen close. Sammy told you once, told you twice. The shadows are growing, the snakes are crawling. Don't trust a brother with the hidden blade. Ezidi. Listen close. Listen close. Sammy told you once, told you twice. The shadows are growing, the snakes are crawling. Don't trust a brother with the hidden blade. The sky turns black when we clench our fists. Zarok and Roger never exist in the mist. They call you brother but the smile is fake. They pish the man, they wait for the take. They talk about peace but they dream of the knife. Was in my bish cannon, they want our life. Keep your distance from the ones with the Sharia mind. Little the besh and dostim, acting so kind. They are snakes in the grass, the money one sherre. Watch us by your side, the madinya sherre. Ezidi, standing firm like the stone. Ezidi, protecting the throne. Look into the eyes, do you see the hate? Sharp برايم and don't leave it to fate. Ezid gaan flow inside our veins. Tishibo duruyan too, no room for that change. Sammy warned you, the history is old and red. Zwina kalubavan, for this land they bless. 74 times they tried to erase our name. Le'em hin levirin, we are the eternal flame. To anyone who thought they could bury our trace. We spit in their face. Stay away from the Ummah, stay true to your blood. The misgifting one day, our name is mud. Today Sammy warns you, he's holding the light. But tomorrow is your job to win the fight. Teach your children the truth and the pride. Beriyaku rusty winda bibe, nowhere to hide. I'm knocks up in the nashk and the marana. Do you hear the hissing? They are not your babes. Do you hear the hissing? They are not your friends. Uru and one and who burn our temples down. Never trust a brother who hates your crown. Stay proud. Stay proud, stay. Sammy laid the foundation. Now the torch is yours. Wabinin biro kwa catching kwa himbikin. The snake never sleeps, so keep your eyes open.